Okay, guys, welcome back. I repurchased the Bigfoot Rust again. Because remember, I sold mine. Here it is, guys. Hot Wheels Monster Trucks Bigfoot. This is a re-release, by the way. Back of it. All I need is 2 School and Bionic Bruiser. I have this case complete. Name Bigfoot Truck Type Pickup Strength Car Crushing Shocks Original Stomp 4x4 Bigfoot. So here it is, guys. Without further ado, let's go and open this. Okay, guys. So here it is. Bigfoot Hot Wheels, guys. The roll cage is a see-through orange now. I don't know if that was in the original release. Dark blue beadlocks, white rims. Bigfoot Hot Wheels. The Summit and all, the logo's Firestone 7568. Bigfoot Hot Wheels on this side, 4x4x4. Summit, and the back of it, which is Bigfoot Hot Wheels with the rust color, with the blue metal flake. Pretty nice truck. We got one more to go, guys. Peace out.